Hi everyone, welcome back to another mukbang. Today we have ramyun. Have you heard of this combination before?
Combination, no.
So this 열라면 and sundubu is supposed to be really good, like pair. Like I've added silk tofu to different ramyuns before, but apparently like this specific flavor and brand is
Known to
be really good.
really.
Really. But I had this brand before, 근데
So
it's been a while. I don't really remember. I know Utensil ramen is spicy as hell.
Dude, there's like so many brands.
Yeah. I think from consumer's perspective, it's nice. You have so many options to choose from, and you don't really ever get sick of it.
It's like almost like comfort food now.
It is. It's not almost. It is.
Oh yes, ma'am. You didn't even know?
Just shit.
Yoo-hoo!
Oh.
Oh, it's hot. Okay.
And we have two different types of kimchi. We have this 총각
It's not
kimchi,
kimchi.
and this is whatever. This is
Radish.
one of our favorite to pair with. This is a pickle radish. I love it with ramyun, and I think it'll pair really well. So. Yum.
Did you notice that in Korea it was not yellow? When I lived in Korea,
Okay.
it's only in US when I saw the first yellow
Really?
one. Yeah. Never seen a yellow.
이거 먼저. 먹어보자. It's good. The spiciness definitely.
Yeah, because of the whole tofu really. Tofu is very
Cheers.
neutral.
짠.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's different from what we had before, so I like it.
진짜 맛있다.
It's been a minute since we had anything remotely spicy like this, no? Because now, if we eat anything spicy, it will last for a week. Dude, I like it. Very different. Different taste. Like when you first bring in the noodle, you could already taste different. Difference.
그래?
Yeah.
Cheers, guys.
It's been a minute since I ate spicy. Oh.
총각 김치. Do you know why it's called 총각 김치? 왜? Excuse me?
Because it's shaped like a pee-pee.
No, it's not.
My bad. Really?
That's what I thought too.
Oh.
It's because in the old times, you know how like in Korea even guys had long hair?
And like they had a ponytail. So this looks like their ponytail, like single men. 총각 used to have a ponytail like this. That's why it's called 총각 kimchi.
Sure.
Is that the PG way? Yeah, I don't see that.
Okay, what's this part then? 진짠데?
그렇구나. I didn't know. Oh, shit. Thank you for sharing.
좀 촉하네.
It opens up your sinus.
Yeah.
How you feeling? Because you've been addicted to NyQuil.
I think I'm addicted. The sleep that I get from drinking alcohol.
Do you get good sleep? Like dream? Really?
I think I actually dreamt. So I woke up at like 6 today. And I went back to sleep for 1 more hour. I think that's when I dreamt. So NyQuil was like not really there anymore. But I think usually when I take NyQuil and sleep, I don't really dream anymore about anything.
Suppose you always dream, but
You don't remember it. Yeah, basically it's something, yeah.
I haven't had a dream or that I remember for a minute.
Oh my god. My bowl. It's loaded.
Bro,
I think the noodles soaked up so much flavor that I don't
it
really...
does, right?
Yeah,
It's
so
like
I'm like not really drinking the soup because I feel I don't really need it.
I'm usually not the type that sweats or like while I eat.
But I'm sweating a little bit.
Yeah, me too.
Oh my god, so cute!
Hi, baby.
You wanna come here? Can you show us your face? He's like, I haven't got my paycheck from chickens. 진짜 맵다. 단무지 is really good for this.
Not the 총각김치 because it gets spicier. How the heck do you even think of creating tofu like, you know?
Like so tofu?
Yeah.
So a little tip, I think
Little
with
what?
this combination is little tip, tip, not your tip.
Okay. Anyway.
I would add little less water when you're cooking with tofu because they, you know, like when you cook with them,
They also create more water.
They create more water. They add more water to your soup.
Sorry. I'm gonna break it down, mix it up. There's another tip. If you eat with me, it tastes better. You know?
Do
You know, in the beginning, I hated it, how we used wooden spoon and wooden chopstick.
you did?
Or like wooden spoon. I'm like, I'm not used to this. I will never use this.
Oh, I didn't know.
You know? But you enforced it on me.
I guess it's because I had to like film mukbang, and the sound catching in your video is really, really unpleasant. And like, you have to be so careful. Like, you can't do like with metal. It's just so bad.
Dang, there's a reason for everything, huh? Nice. Thank you. So what's your favorite ramen? Like the instant.
This is pretty good actually, lemon.
I have all-time favorite.
I really like ramen.
Jin? I like Shin ramen.
I think Shinramen is kind of like sets the standard. Yeah, basic, I feel like.
What about his cup ramen? Cause you know how cup ramen is a little, like, it tastes a little different.
I really like the udon one.
Udon?
The udon cup ramen is really good.
The 튀김?
튀김 udon.
I like 육개장. That's like the OG of OG.
Well, they don't really sell yuca here, so it's kind of annoying.
Really?
It's not. Like sometimes. They don't always have it here.
I like the OG taste, not the all these other flavor one they got.
You know those American cup ramen, American Korean cup ramen things? I don't like those.
No?
No.
Do you know? But Maruchan's.
Maruchan's good.
Yeah.
Maruchan's different.
It's dude, Maruchan's lit.
One thing I feel that I didn't understand with Maruchan when I first came to America.
Okay.
I'm like, Maruchan doesn't taste like ramen. No? And some people put hot sauce in it. I'm like, it just cannot be good. And I never really had it ever since. And then one day I eat it. I'm like, oh my god, so good. And I think it's college. I start eating it again in college. You kind of don't have a choice, you know?
I think for me it was like during high school. Because there's a ton of people. How we all gonna fit? Like, you know,
Fed, yeah.
we don't even have money. We're young. So
How much is Maruchan right now? Like $1 or something? Maybe increased.
before it was at Juasco when I was young. I remember getting $4.
For $1?
Yeah, the packaged one.
Can you imagine what it's made out of?
Newspaper, cardboard box, Amazon boxes. Hi.
It's pretty good.